Gregory Harris, Snoopy Snoop's Universe.
What's up, you guys? It's me, Gregory Harris, but you probably know as New New. And welcome to Gregory Harris News Universe. As you know, Hurricane Irma is coming. It's supposed to go to Florida. I don't know what else it's supposed to hit, but I do know it's not supposed to hit here. I was told that by my mom. And if you live in Florida, or live anywhere else a hurricane over my head, I just want you guys to know to be careful and to be prepared. And you need a lot of things for Hurricane Irma. You need safety kit, you need food, you need enough water, you need fully charged phones, you need everything for Hurricane Irma. And if you have a pet, if you have a pet like mine, like if you have a puppy or you have a cat or something like that, make sure you get your pet too. Make sure you have a pet. Okay? Everything you need for Hurricane Irma, you should be prepared for. You need everything for Hurricane Irma. Everything you need, okay? So, to my fans who live in Florida or anywhere else, Hurricane Irma might hit, please be careful, cause Hurricane Irma, it's supposed to be huge, it's supposed to be big, and it's supposed to be helpful. So, to my fans, please be careful. Alright, guys, that's all. Goodbye, and be careful of Hurricane Irma.